Did you know that horses can sleep while standing up without falling over? They have a special system of tendons and ligaments in their legs called the stay apparatus that locks their joints in place. This allows them to relax their muscles and doze off instantly so they can run away if a predator appears. Unusually, horses are one of the few animals that cannot breathe through their mouths. They can only breathe through their nostrils. Also, a horse's teeth take up more space in their head than their brain does. Like and subscribe for more horse facts.